In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client portal in Notion. We're going to build a simple, organized space your client can use to check progress, review important information, and stay aligned with the project. The goal here is to make communication easier and give your client one clear place to find everything they need. Start by creating a new Notion page that will serve as the client portal. Give it a clear title related to the client or project so it's easy to recognize later. This page will become the main hub for your ongoing collaboration, so it helps to keep the layout clean and professional from the beginning. Next, add the client information near the top of the page. Include the client's name, the project name, relevant contact details, and the current project status. This section acts like a quick reference area, so anyone opening the portal can immediately understand what the page is for and where the project stands. Keep this information short and easy to scan. After that, create sections for project updates, files, tasks, and deadlines. These sections help organize the portal so the client doesn't have to search through scattered notes or messages. The project updates area is useful for sharing progress, summaries, and key developments. The files section can hold links or embedded resources related to the project. The tasks section gives visibility into what's being worked on, and the deadlines section helps everyone stay aware of upcoming due dates and important milestones. Once those sections are in place, add a task database for client deliverables. This is one of the most useful parts of the portal because it turns your page into something dynamic rather than just informational. You can use the database to track deliverables, monitor what's in progress, and mark completed items clearly. A well-structured task database makes it much easier for the client to follow along without needing constant manual updates from you. From there, customize the portal based on the client's needs. Some clients may prefer a very minimal dashboard, while others may need more detailed visibility into progress and assets. Adjust the layout, headings, and structure so the portal feels tailored and practical. The more relevant it is to the client's workflow, the more likely they are to actually use it. When everything looks good, share the page with the client using the share button. Before sending it out, take a moment to confirm that the right content is visible and that the page is ready for client access. Finally, keep the page updated so the client can see progress over time. A client portal only works well if it stays current. Regular updates build trust, reduce back and forth communication, and make your process feel much more organized and professional.